Hello everyone, welcome. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Rahul SK. So today we will discuss all about differentiation and integrations, the rules, the regulations we will learn for differentiation and integrations. Actually, আমি physics পড়াতে এই integration differentiation কিয় লাগে? Actually আমি ক্লাস 11 আর 12 এর দুটো মানে ইয়ারে পড়িবলে হলে আমি বেসিক্স এইখিনি ক্লিয়ার রাখিব লাগিব। ফার্স্ট ইয়ার জানিবা সাপোজ চ্যাপ্টার নাম্বার 3 4 5 এগুলা কি করতে প্লাস হাই সেকেন্ডারি সেকেন্ড ইয়ারে তোমার ইন্টিগ্রেশন বহুত বেশি লাগিব। ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে তোমার দুটাই ইউজ হবো। তো আমার স্টার্টিং করার আগতে ইয়ারের স্টার্টিং করার আগতে এইখিনি আমি জানিলাম হলো, ঠিক আছে, যোনখিনি লাগা আছে। সো আমি প্রথমতে আমি ডিসকাশন করি ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন। সো ফর এসআইএস মিডিয়াম it is apocalypse. And integration it is anukalam. Okay. So these terms only have written. Now everything will write. Most of the things will write in English, and the whatever things needed we will discuss in Assamese also. So first we will discuss apocalypse differentiation. So the first formula for differentiation is known to all, I guess. D by dx if it is x to the power say p. You see, if it is d by dx and it is x, the function which we need to differentiate, don't we apocalypse করি the function to যদি x এর ফাংশন হয় আর অবকলন আমার d by dx দি বুঝাইছে, ঠিক আছে। সো তেতিয়া আমার এই ফর্মুলাটা কি হয়, ইয়াতে পাওয়ার যোনটো আছে, so that power will come at first, then whatever power is there in differentiation the power will be reduced by 1. Got it? So the first formula is d by dx of x to the power of p, so the power comes in front and then 1 is reduced from the power. So this is the first formula you have to memorize and you have to remember. So first example, let us consider d by dx x to the power say 7 it is. So this is d by dx and this is x, so I mean it is similar to this. So can you say what will be? Yes, it will be 7 into x to the power 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. So what it will be? 7 into x to the power 6. Got it? Next example. What you will take? Sir, minus. Yes, minus. It will be minus, again minus. So minus x to the power minus 2. We can write it. This is to be 1 by x square, is it? But it, can you say যদি কোন বাইরে আছে স্যার 1 by x to the power minus 2 1 by x square কেন কি লিখলেন? For this you see in class 9 or 10 we have learned about that. Suppose x to the power minus 7, so it can be written as x to the power 7. So likewise this one. So I think you have got this example. You can take a screenshot. Okay. Now we come to problem number 2. So this was the first formula. Again for constant term. For constant term. So in Assamese constant is called dhruvok. Any number, যিকোনো অখণ্ড সংখ্যা পরিমেয় সংখ্যা যিকোনো সংখ্যা হলে তার আমার অবকলন কি হয়, for any constant number if we take the derivative of that constant number, say that number is denoted by, say, what you will take? So c. C can be anything, any number, natural number, whole number, anything. Okay, then it will give 0. Remember it? So I want to see, or you want to see one example. So d by dx, say it is 10. It will be 0. Yes, d by dx. Yes, if it is 100, what it will be? Can anyone say? Yes, correct. Take one screenshot and we'll move forward to the next formula. You getting? You know square root? Square root. It is written by this much. So, if we want to take the derivative of a function root x, it will be, I guess, formula number 3. So, what it will be? Can you say? First, you write as it is. Then root of x, it can be written as x to the power half. Yes, the value of root is 1 by 2. You see, now the power is half, so it will come in front. Now from the power we need to reduce 1. Everyone is getting? Yes, from half we need to subtract 1, so it is minus half. So 1 by 2, it is what? 1 by x to the power half. So again, this half can be written as 1 by root x. So most of the thing I will discuss as it is discussed in the class, because many more students are there, they couldn't attend the class properly. So for them, I am doing this. So got everything? Okay, another time, one time more I will discuss. You see, we need to find the root of x. We know the value of root is half. So we write as it is d by dx and x to the power half. So we know according to the formula, first formula, this power comes in front, and then from the x, one need to reduce from the power. So this again for half minus 1, so minus half as it is, and again x to the power minus half, it will come in the denominator. Yes, again half, and this half, we know the value of half, it is square root. So this is the final answer. Thank you. You see, I will see it is coming or not. Yes, coming. Now we will move to the derivative of trigonometric function. Derivative from trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. If function y is equal to say sine of x, it is given, and we have to find the derivative of this. हमें अवकलन सुलभ लगेगा. So d by dx. What it will be? D by dx of sine x. D by dx of sine x. See, this sine, it is in theta is in x, so x. So we can do in formula. So sine changes to cos. Sine changes to cos x. So similarly, number 2, if y is equal to cos x, so then d by dx it will be sin x. But in differentiation, always remember that sin becomes negative. Sin becomes negative and cos becomes positive in differentiation. When it comes in answer, so you see sin x, when answer cos x, it will be in positive. When cos x, sign is in answer, then it will be negative. Always remember. So this will be star. Star means what? Very important. Because we need to remember this much. So take a screenshot or write in a copy. Taken? Copy. Now number 3. If it is y is equal to 10x. So d by dx. Can you all say what it will be? When 10 comes, always remember it will be in square. What? Sec square x. If 10x, then derivative of 10x it is sec square x. Number 4. So number 4, if it is y is equal to sec x, then d by dx, what it will be? Can you understand? Remember that in differentiation, while we are to differentiate sec x, always remember that sec will be positive, and along with sec there will be another term, and that will be 10x. So it will be sec at 10x, and it will be in positive because cos become positive, and opposite of cos is also positive. Sec in answer, if sec is coming, it will be in positive. So what we have written, if it is 10x, then it will be sec square x. Again, if it is sec x, then it will be sec x into 10x. So take a screenshot. Now we will go to the next formula. Taken? So what will be the next formula number? So previously it was sec x, no? Now if it is y equal to cot x, yes, cot x. So then d by dx, it will be opposite of sine. What it is? Opposite of sine? Cosec square x. Cosec square x. But remember, since sine is negative, so cosec will be negative. Got it? And if y is equal to cosec x, then dy by dx, derivative of cosec x, it will be what? Again, two functions will come. First one as it is cosec x, into, again in sec x 10 has come, 10 aisile jete cosec asil. Again in cosec x, opposite of 10, it will be cot. I am telling this just to get the relation, just to remember in a simple way. So cosec x, since sine is negative, so opposite of sine is also negative. So in differentiation, always remember, since sine is negative, opposite of sine in answer it will be negative. When it is cot x, it is minus cosec square x. Again when it is cosec or cosec x, then differentiation of cosec x, it will be cosec x into cot x. Take a screenshot. Okay. Now formula from the logarithm. From logarithm. Number 1, if it is y is equal to, say, log x. If base is not mentioned, it is 10, but it will be of base e. So we have to find the derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. How it has come? Don't go through, but remember it. Okay. Now next formula. If it is y is equal to e to the power x, simply remember dy by dx same e to the power x. if it is 2, and number 3, if y is equal to a to the power x, then dy by dx, it will be as it is, and then log of a with respect to this. Take a screenshot. Take it. Okay. I need to explain again. Okay. Y is equal to log of x. When it is log x in differentiation, what has come with x and log, it will be 1 by that function. If it is with the x, so 1 by x. Formula it is. Just go and remember. We have to remember it, and then we will go through the examples and we will use these formulas. Again, number 2, y is equal to e to the power x. Remember it is that if it is e to the power x, then it comes e to the power x only. And but only different thing is that if it is a to the power x, then it will come in front and then log of a with respect to base a. Okay. Now, fine. Now in differentiation, one addition rule is there. Addition. Joke. The function, if y, a function is given like this, x square plus 2x plus say 2. If it is given like this, and now you are asked to find dy by dx, and you are asked to find dy by dx, it will be how much? So first of all, write dy by dx, dy by dx. So in y what is given? In y tate ki diya ase? X square 2x plus 2. Yes? We have learned across in class 9 or 10 that if 2 is multiplied by a plus b plus c, and what we have done? We have done 2a plus 2 multiplied by b to b, 2 multiplied to c to c. In this we have done. So likewise, consider it a function, and this is multiplied to this one, this is multiplied to this one, this is multiplied to this one. So simply write it. So d by dx, x square plus d by dx 2x plus d by dx, it is 2. So while doing this, always remember that you need to write the constant term in front. You need to write the constant term in front, and then the variable term with the differentiation formula. So there is no constant term here, only this much. It is in the format of dy by dx x to the power p. Yes. So what was the formula here? It is equal to p into x to the power p minus 1, like this. Yes. Now we will do. So what it is here? It is 2. So 2 comes front, and then the power is reduced by 1. Here plus plus. Here it is 2x. So constant term in front. And then what is the power of x? 1 into 1. Again x to the power 1 minus 1 plus. So differentiation of constant term 0. So it is 2x plus 2, because it will be 0. Okay, first time it will be 1. So answer 2x plus 2. Yes, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. Got it? One thing here, x to the power 1 minus 1 means x to the power 0. X to the power 0. We have learned that anything raised to the power 0, the value of this, it is equal to 1. Anything. You can write any person's name. You can write, what do you write? Any name. Say 2. Okay, 2. So 2 to the power 0. Then also the value it is 1. I mean to say, anything is there in the base and the power is 0, the value of that thing will be 1. So like this one. 1 minus 1, the power it will be 0, and x to the power 0, the value is 1, and this 0 for x plus 2. But okay, again I am explaining. A function y is given like this, and we have to find dy by dx. So first we have written solution dy by dx. So dy by dx, and in place of y we have written the function as it is. Janako asle tenako ekbar hubo bolo kichu. Tar pisot here is it multiplied as this one is multiplied to this one, this one is multiplied to this one. So this. So formula ago thakile power pora 1 komi gol. Itu 2 agot thakibo aru power jiman asile itu agot ahe 1 minus x to the power 1 minus 1 0 aru constant thakile 0. Buji paisa sake sobe? Yes. Next, addition rule also, it is also called chain rule. Okay, it is also called chain rule. So the homework do. So this one I have given you a homework. Okay, you will try. Now next method is UV method. UV method. UV method in differentiation. UV means how? It is multiplied. This function is multiplied to this one. That means product rule. So if we have to find the differentiation of two functions multiplied to each other, then we need to expand this one at first. So what it will be to give. So this one say first, and this one is second. First function, second function. So when you get this type of function, let's remember this formula that first function write as it is, the derivative of the second function, it is v. Since it is plus, since it is product, so plus will come in between. Again, second function first, and then derivative of the first function. Remember, d by dx of uv. The first you need to write the first function as it is, and then the derivative of the second. I can write the second function as it is, and the derivative of the first. So 1 to 2 1. Or remember like this: u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. Okay. So if we want to do an example, this one, say example y is equal to x into log x. Okay, x into log x. So here, this one is the first function, this one is second function. So now we have to find derivative of this function. So x ddx of second function log x plus second function right as it is log x derivative of first function. Okay, so x, now you can say ddx of log x, it will be 1 by x plus log x ddx of x. Remember, ddx of x it is 1. Remember, ddx of x is 1. No sir, you need to explain. Okay, you see how it becomes a 1. What is the power of x? It is 1. Okay, x to the power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. But again, anything to the power 0, it is 1, and 1 into 1. Here this one is the example of product rule. You see this function y is equal to x log of x. So consider this to be the first function and this one is to be the second function. So we have to find the derivative of this function y. So d by dx. Now first function as it is, second function derivative we have written. Again then second function as it is, and then derivative of first function. Here first function as it is, and then derivative of second function. 1, 2. So this x derivative of log x is 1 by x, right? X that is derivative of log x is 1 by x. So log x that is, and dx of x it is 1. How it is? Power of x is 1 into x to the power, from power of 1 reduced. So 1 minus 1 it is 0. Again x to the power 0 means it is 1. Again 1 into 1 it is 1. So here x cancel out, so 1 plus this log x. So this is the example of product rule. Now again another rule is there, and that is the division rule. So we will go the division rule. So now division rule. Division rule. So if it is u by v and y is equal to u by v. So now we have to find dy by dx. That is dy by dx of u by v. So what is the expansion of this formula? Remember, whatever is there in the denominator, তলৰ জন্য থাকিব হেতু আমি স্কয়ার হব, তলৰ জন্য থাকিব হেতু স্কয়ার হব, and then this denominator write it at first, প্রথমেতে লিখব লাগবে, and then যোনটো ৰৈ গল হেতু derivative, and then the derivative of the remaining one. This, since it is division, so minus symbol will be there. Again we have done the derivative of the u, that means first function I can say, and this function will come in first, and then the derivative of v. So simple way to remember it is that if it is division function, whatever is coming in the denominator, write it in the denominator and give it square. Whatever you have written in the denominator, write it at first, and then the derivative of the remaining one, and this one at first, and the derivative of the first one or the remaining one. তলৰ জন্য থাকিব এটা স্কয়ার হ'ব, আৰু হেতু আগত লিখিব লাগিব, যোনটো ৰৈ গল হেতু ডেরিভেটিভ হ'ব, ডিভিজন হোৱাৰ কাৰণে মাইনাস থাকিব, আৰু যোনটো আমি ইয়াতে প্ৰথম ডেরিভেটিভ কৰিলো হেতু আগত থাকিব, আৰু বাকিটো আমি ইয়াতে ডেরিভেটিভ ল'ব লাগিব, অপগ্লাস কৰিব লাগিব. So this is the rule. Now we will do another example. The same thing we can write x by log x. If it is this, then we have to find dy by dx. So you can say now, whatever it is in the diameter, give it square and write it at first. Yes, and then remaining one is derivative of the remaining one, and then write it at first, and then derivative of the denominator one, log x. ठीक है, log x. So denominator log x square, log x, dx of x it is 1. पहले भी क्या है, x dx of log x is 1 by x. So x into 1 by x, this x cancel out. Acha, and this thing, if you want to write it here, only you can write log x, log x minus 1. So this is the required answer. Log x minus 1 upon log x square. If we need to mention the case here, e. So this is the division rule. Take a screenshot. Oh. Now only one thing is remaining, which is frequently asked in entrance exam, also sometimes in board exam. Mainly it is asked in entrance exam. That is to find the maximum and minimum value. Maximum and minimum value. Minimum. So first you note down the formula only, then I will explain the whole thing. So for maximum case, say maximum, minimum. So remember the graph of maximum. If you want to say, okay, first formula, remember we need to find dy by dx, and secondly we need to do dy by dx equal to 0. You can say it is second. Thirdly, we need to take the derivative twice, j square y upon dx square. So for maximum value, it will be always, this value will be negative, and if it is negative, it means what? It is less than 0. Again, if it is less than 0, it means what? It is unstable. Okay. So remember, for maximum, first we have to find the derivative of the first function. I means first thing we have to. Sorry, I think disturbance. Yes. আমি প্রথমতে ম্যাক্সিমাম কেস যদি ম্যাক্সিমাম ভ্যালু ওলাব লাগিব কোনোবা এটা ফাংশনৰ আমি প্ৰথমতে অবক্লজ লম অবক্লজ লোৱাৰ পিছত কিবা এটা ইকুৱেশ্যন আহিব সমীকৰণ আহিব সেইটো আমি ইকুৱেল টু 0 লম 0 লোৱাৰ পিছত আমি এইটো যোনটো অবক্লজ কৰিছিলো ইয়াৰে আকৌ অবক্লজ কৰিম সেইটো হ'ব স্টেপ 3 আৰু এই স্টেপ কৰাৰ পিছত যদি আমাৰ ভ্যালুটো কি হয় নেগেটিভ হোৱাৰ ফলত কি হ'ব লেস দেন 0 হ'ব আৰু লেস দেন 0 হলে কি হ'ব আনস্টেবল হ'ব এই গোটেইটা কন্ডিশন ম্যাক্সিমামৰ কাৰণে ঠিক আছে এটা মিনিমামৰ কাৰণে সেম ফর্মুলা নাম্বার 1 সেম dy by dx ওলাব লাগিব সেকেন্ড টু সেম dy by dx কি কৰিব লাগিব এইখিনি ইকুয়াল টু 0 কৰিব লাগিব and the third case second derivative and we will see it is greater than 0 হলে কি হবে পজিটিভ আর এটা হবে কি স্টেবল ওকে সো প্রথমে নোট ডাউন করা তারপর তুমি এটা উদাহরণ দিছো সো ম্যাক্সিমাম আর মিনিমাম বুঝাবার কাৰণে মই সাথী লৈ আহিছো তোমালোকৰ साथे साथ गान में ऊपर से एक बारिश का मौसम का पानी सो तो चलो देखा एक साथी ये तो क्या होगा सो ग्राफ जैसे क्या होगा मैक्सिमम करने क्या होगा কোন বেটা বস্তু যদি আমি আর থই দিও কোন বেটা যদি বস্তু আমি থই দিও কি হবে ইয়াত না থাকে পড়ি যাব কি হবে পড়ি যাব আকো ট্রাই করছো পড়ি যাব ঠিক আছে तो मैक्सिमम करने के होगा आधा मन रखिबा तो ग्राफ का मन केलका होगा एन होलेबा ठीक है যেনেকৈ হ'ল ইয়াতে আমি কিবা এটা বস্তু থৈছিলোঁ কি হ'ব প্ৰথমে ইয়াতে পৰি যাব কিবা বস্তু থ'লে পৰি যাব চ' ইয়াতে আমাৰ প্ৰথমে আমি কি পাওঁ dy বাই dx পাওঁ আৰু এইখিনি ইকুৱেল টু ছেকেণ্ডত আমি কি কৰিছিলোঁ এইটো পইণ্টতে dy বাই dx 0 লওঁ আৰু থাৰ্ডলি আমি ইয়াতে কি কৰিছিলোঁ dy বাই d স্কোয়াৰ বাই dx স্কোয়াৰ কৰিছিলোঁ আৰু এটা কি পাইছিলোঁ নেগেটিভ পাইছিলোঁ নেগেটিভ পালে কি পাইছিলোঁ আনষ্টেবল কি হৈছিল আনষ্টেবল এই কাৰণে হৈছিল কাৰণ ইয়াতে চোৱা কোনো বস্তু স্থিৰ নহয় ইয়াতে থৈ দিলে কি হ'ব পৰি যাব স্থিৰ নহয় অস্থিৰ হৈ যাব ঠিক আছে ইয়াতে চোৱা অস্থিৰ বস্তু নাথাকে ইয়াত এতিয়া ছাতিটো আমি যদি আমি উল্টা কিনো চোৱা এতিয়া বস্তু আমি য'তে থওঁ যদি ইয়াতে থওঁ তাতে যাব চাব বস্তুটো আমি ইয়াত থৈছোঁ মাজত যাব ঠিক আছে মাজত যাম তো মাজত গ'লে বস্তুটো কি হয় ছাতাটো আছে আমি যদি কিবা শ্বৰ্ট লৈছোঁ ইয়াতে এৰি দিওঁ যাই কিনে এই মাজত দ আছে যে ইয়াত যাই কি হৈ থাকে স্থিৰ হৈ থাকে বস্তুটো হ'ল চ' কি হ'ল আমাৰ মিনিমামত কি হয় গ্ৰাফটো আমাৰ এনেকুৱা থাকে আৰু ইয়াতে মিনিমাম কেছ প্ৰথম কণ্ডিশ্যন dy বাই dx ওলাও সেকেন্ড আমি কি পাওঁ dy বাই dx ইনটু 0 পাওঁ আৰু থাৰ্ড কেছটো আমি d স্কয়ার y বাই dx স্কয়ার লওঁ কিন্তু এইখিনি আমি কি পাইছিলোঁ কি পাওঁ পজিটিভ ভ্যালু পাওঁ গ্ৰেটাৰ দেন 0 পজিটিভ আৰু পজিটিভ হলে বস্তু আমি যাতে থৈ ইয়াতে আহিব ইয়াত থলো ইয়াতে আহিব বস্তুটো ইয়াত থাকি যাব সো স্টেবল হ'ব এতিয়া হ'ব কি স্টেবল আৰু এতিয়া হ'ব কি আনস্টেবল সো graph we know x y right so in minimum case if we put anything here it will come in center if we put anything here it will come in the center but in maximum case if we put here anything it will flow down so it is unstable it is stable so we'll do one example here okay now we need to take one example so if a function is given x cube minus 3x square plus 6 now find the maximum and minimum value of y सभा क्वेश्चन की কৈছে ফাংশন এটা দিয়ে আছে যে y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 6 এটা কৈছে এই ফাংশনৰ ম্যাক্সিমাম আৰু মিনিমাম ভ্যালু লোৱা क्वेश्चन পাইছে না তো আমি ম্যাক্সিমাম হ'ব নে মিনিমাম হ'ব তো নাজানো আমি কৰিব লাগিব সলিউশন সো প্ৰথমত আমি কি করি সলিউশন আমি লিখি y is equal to x cube minus 3x square question to is raise for you 3x square plus 6 so first condition our case is that dy by dx होना पड़ेगा सबे जाने में क्या dy by dx होना पड़ेगा so dy by dx इतने को लिखना होगा क्या बताइए x square होगा minus 3 और लोगों और x पूरा यहाँ पर पावर कमी गले 1 होगा प्लस और कौन ध्रुवकोण यदि प्लस ना 0 हो सो 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x और এটা আমার কি হইছে dy by dx সো স্টুডেন্টস মই হেৰি কৰিছো প্ৰেছ কৰি দিছো হা কোৱেশ্চনটো তো হইছে স্ক্ৰিনশ্বট লৈ লও কোৱেশ্চন and the maximum minimum value of y আছে সো কোৱেশ্চনটো স্ক্ৰিনশ্বট লৈ লও ना पॉज करके लिख लो ओके क्वेश्चन हमको लगा बोलो आगे लिखो ना सी तो हम dy by dx मान बोलो ये तो हमने दर्जा हुआ so it I mean next কি আছিল dy by dx এখানে কিন্তু 0 করব so আমি dy by dx এর মান কেমন পাইছো so what is the value of dy by dx so 3x square minus 6x 0 so 3 common so 3 common x square minus 3 plus 6 x x common the x minus 2 so I'm going to x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 okay আমি x দুটো মান হইছে তো বুঝ গেল এতে আমি থার্ড স্টেপ কি আছে d স্কয়ার y dx স্কয়ার এখানে বললাম না তো এখানে আমি কেন বললাম আমার dy by dx আছে dy by dx আছে মান 3x স্কয়ার minus 6x so it ইয়াকে যদি আমি আরো বার অবকলন করব d by dx dy by dx দেখো dy dx dx square minus 6 যেটা হইছে মোক লাগে আমার x এর মান হইছে 0 আর 2 লিখি রাখছি তাহলে আমি y ডাবল লিখলাম so d square y dx তাহলে কি করব এখানে করলে 6x minus 6 है ना 6 तो हमारा d square y upon dx इसका इक्वल है 6x minus 2 okay everything we have got now we have got two values of x so d square y by dx square while the value of x is equal to say 0 then if we put x is equal to 0 6 into 0 minus 6 what it gives minus 6 it is right so for this case it will be negative less than 0 if it is less than 0 that means unstable so now we will get the unstable then it is maximum ঠিক আছে so y maximum মান হবো আর কোনটো মান ওখানে পাম যেতিয়া x equal to 0 এখানে ইউজ করেছি এতিয়া আমি y ডাউন স্পেশাল লিখেছি আছে so y maximum x equal to 0 তেতিয়া এই সমীকরণত আমার y x এর মান আমি কিলাম 0 লম so প্রথম 0 minus 0 plus so y maximum is equal to 6 so first এটা পালো yes now আমি যেতিয়া x is equal to কিমান পাইছো 2 পাইছো এতিয়া কিমান হয় ম্যাক্সিমাম ভ্যালু আমি নোট ডাউন কৰিছো তো x equal to যেতিয়া 2 কত ইয়াত d square y upon dx square ইয়াত তো ইয়াতে কিমান হ'ব 6 into 2 minus 6 so ইয়াতে হ'ব 12 minus 6 it will be 6 yes it is positive if it is positive it is stable if it is stable it is minimum okay yes now we will find the minimum value of y so y minimum so y value minimum when x is equal to 2 so we write the value of x to be 2 and then we find the value so এখানে ইউজ করিস তাহলে কিছু হই গেছে নোট ডাউন করিস তো yes x is equal to 2. So 2q minus 3 into 2 square plus 6. So calculation 8, 4, 12, right? Plus 6. Yes. 8, 12, 6, right? 14, 2. So minimum value of y. Okay. So we have got maximum value and minimum value. So we write maximum. I think it was 6. Y minimum. So this is what the question has asked to find. So here close differentiation. हमारे फिजिक्स सीखा कारण फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर कारण आई थिंक कम हो जाए तमाने और तो शिक लगा बहुत आसे डिफारेंशिएशन बहुत आसे किंतु हमार जिखिनि हले हमार फिजिक्स सीखार कारण सहज हो जाए एखिनि हमार साबिसे हमार प्रेक्टिस करिबा कोई डाउट थाकले कमेंट्स जनाबा ओके देन थैंक यू परिवार।